Hello everyone, I am Salil Sabnis. I'm the Managing Director for SYZA Health Sciences, and I'm a consultant, a brand consultant and trainer and mentor for major pharmaceutical companies in India as well as some companies abroad. In fact, I welcome you to join a program which I'll be speaking in. The topic will be the successful physician engagement during the lockdowns without losing the essence. I will be speaking on this particular program on 14th of August at 4 p.m. and I invite you to join this. There are three highlights which I will be touching upon and which will help improve your sales performance in your kind of a field. Number one, I'll be speaking on the performance excellence in sales, that is sales continuity during the pandemic, during the lockdowns, and during the layoffs or during disasters or wars. How do you continue your sales? That is number one. Secondly, I will be speaking on a perfect sales personality, how you should showcase yourself in terms of your enthusiasm or n number of things which you should be encompassing in terms of manifesting yourself as a perfect sales personality. And thirdly, I will be talking about a foolproof sales excellence model, which will be independent of pandemic, independent of the disasters or pandemics, and which will help you improve your performance. So I would invite you once again to join on 14th of August at 4 p.m. to join on the topic, the successful physician engagement program during the lockdowns without losing the essence. Yes, I'll be waiting for your enrollment immediately. Thank you. And lastly and not the least, I would like to thank Messrs. DocMore for providing this excellent educational platform and also sponsoring this unique event. So signing off once more and waiting for you on 14th of August at 4 p.m. to join in the topic, successful physician engagement program during the lockdown without losing the essence. See you.